Hey gang, it's Paul. Just wanted to give you an update and show you what I was doing. As you see, the power supply is actually out of the machine now. What I did was I took the leads off of the flash lamps like we talked about, but what I did, I checked them all and they all look fine. I mean, the tension was good. So what I did as an experiment is I pulled a positive lead off of each flash lamp one at a time and taped the connector so it wouldn't arc against anything, powered the unit up. The flash lamp that was glowing in the last video that I sent you, if you remember, one was glowing, one was out. I pulled the glowing one first, positive lead, and when I did, the GDT on this simmer board was also flashing just like this one was, which was of course still hooked up to the other flash lamp. So when I pulled flash lamp power, this GDT started going off. So what that kind of tells me is, you know, either the flash lamp shorting out the simmer board, or at least shorting the signal so, you know, it won't charge, which I doubt. But I think since this simmer board isn't putting out any power, or the circuit itself isn't putting out any power, that's why this GDT is flashing. You know, it's just acting like there's no flash lamp hooked up to it, or, you know, it's a voltage condition. Of course, with no theory of operation, who really knows? But one thing I did notice is that when it goes into simmer mode, this relay does push in. This one does not. So this GDT flashes while this relay is pushed in, it snaps, GDT goes out, machine goes into an error. This relay never energizes. So since this relay isn't energizing and put any DC output here, this GDT is flashing. Now, this simmer board could be good, and something else in the circuit, you know, by this one not pulling in to energize the output for that lamp, which is the lamp that's out, you know, that's where I'm thinking, you know, we're failing here. So, you know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull both simmer boards. I'm going to take readings from, you know, most of the components I can, any semiconductors, diodes, resistors, etc., etc. Just, you know, check what I can. I'm going to check resistance values between the transformers just to verify that the transformers are still good internally, so that they both have the same reading. You know, if this thing has any other readings other than this one, which I suspect is good, of course, I'll know what to replace on this one. So really, that's my best guess for now. You know, yes, possibly the simmer board, but again, whatever it is that energizes this relay is the problem. If this relay would energize, this GDT wouldn't flash, the laser should work. So I'm going to kind of go from there. If you have any ideas, please email me and let me know. I'd really like to hear them. All right, gang. Well, I'll keep you posted, and wish me luck. Thanks, buddy. Bye.